Welcome to educational channel of sureshbhattclasses. Quantitative aptitude videos on profit and loss. We go to the questions. Our question is, a shopkeeper gives a discount of rupees 24 on marked price of an article and earns a profit of 20%. What will be the profit percent if the cost price is rupees 160 and he sells on marked price? The given options are option A 20%, option B 30%, option C 44% and option D 35%. We solve this question. It is very easy question. The cost price is given to us is rupees 160 plus 20% profit is given to us and 10% is 16. Therefore, 20% is 32. So this comes out to be equal to 160 plus 32 is 192. The selling price is 192 and marked price is 24 more than this. So 192 plus 24 is 216. Now, if the article is sold at 216, then we have to calculate the profit. The profit therefore is 216 minus 160 equal to 56. Now profit percent. Profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. We cancel 0 of 160 with 0 of 100 and 8 divides 16 for 2 times and 56 for 7 times and 2 cancels 10 for 5 times. Therefore 7 times 5 is 35%. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 35%. We can solve this question by shortcut method, even orally. The discount is rupees 24 and our cost price is 160. We can just solve it orally, but I am writing it for your convenience. Our cost price is 160. 10% of it is 16 and half of 16 is 8. 8 plus 16 is 24 and 24 is given to us as the discount. So discount is 15%. 24 is 15% and we were already getting profit of 20%. 15 plus 20 is 35%. If we sell the article on marked price, then we are going to get the 35% profit. Very easy question. We can just solve it orally. And from the given options, our answer is option D. We go to the next question. Our question is, a person buys mixer grinder at certain discount and sells it on marked price, making a profit of 25%. What was the discount percent on mixer grinder? Our options are option A 25%, option B 34%, option C 20%, option D 10%. It is very easy question. The person gets certain discount and sells at marked price and gets 25% profit. So if we assume discounted price to be 100 and he gets profit on this discounted price of 25% and 25% on 100 is 25. So we add 25 and we get the marked price, that is 125. Now the discounted price is 100 and marked price is 125. Thus the discount is rupees 25 and 25 on marked price 125 and for percentage we multiplied by 100. So 25 is the discount on marked price 125 multiplied by 100 is the discount percent and 25 cancels 125 for 5 times and 5 cancels 100 for 20 times. So therefore discount is 20% and from the given option our answer is option C. We go to the next question. Our question is, a car is sold at 36% of its marked price. Then there is a loss of 46%. What will be profit percent when it is sold at 70% of its marked price? The given options are option A 15%, option B 12%, option C 5%, option D 10%. We solve this question like this. We assume the marked price to be 100. Then it is sold at 36% of this, which is 36. And then there is a loss of 46%. It means that the value received is 54% of CP. At rupees 36, the value is 54% of CP. And later on it is sold at 70% of marked price. So at rupees 70, value received is 54 multiplied by 70 divided by 36. 18 cancels 36 for 2 times and 54 for 3 times. And 2 cancels 70 for 35 times. And 35 multiplied by 3 is 105% of cost price. Thus, on selling at 70% of marked price, the value received is 105% of cost price. It means that there is a profit of 5%, as 105% minus 100% is 5%. And from given option, our answer is option C. We go to the next question. Our question is, a machine is sold at 40% of its marked price. Then there is a loss of 20%. What will be profit percent when it is sold at 65% of its marked price? The given options are option A 35%, option B 30%, option C 40%, option D 25%. We solve the question like this. Let marked price be 100. Then it is sold at 40% of 100, that is 40. On selling at 40, there is a loss of 20%. It means that the value received is 80% of cost price. Now it is sold at 65% of marked price, that is at 65% of 100 is 65. We have to find the value received of cost price. Therefore, at 65, value received will be 80 multiplied by 65 divided by 40. 40 cancels 80 for 2 times, and 65 times 2 is 130%. And this is 130% of cost price. Therefore, profit is 130% minus 100% is 30%. It was easy question. And from the given options, our answer is option B. We go to the next question. Our question is, the marked price of a cell phone is rupees 2000 above cost price. When sold at a discount of rupees 800, the profit is 20%. At what price the cell phone be sold to earn the profit of 25%? Our options are option A 4500, option B 6000, option C 7500, option D 5000. We solve the question like this. It is very easy and I am going to solve it by a shortcut method. We make 3 columns: cost price CP, selling price SP, and marked price MP. The marked price is 2000 above cost price, so this is 2000, and the selling price is at a discount of 800. Then 2000 minus 800 is 1200, that is selling price is 800 below mark price and 1200 above cost price, and it is given that there is a profit of 20% as it is sold at rupees 1200 above cost price. It means that profit is 1200 and it is equal to 20%. Now we want 25% profit. It means that we have to sell it at 125%. So we can directly calculate 125% from 20%. 125% equal to 1200 multiplied by 125 divided by 20, and 20 cancels 1200 for 60 times, and 6 times of 125 is 750. Therefore 60 times of 125 is 7500. Therefore the selling price of the cell phone is rupees 7500, and from the given options our answer is option C. Our question is, two airlines have same airfare of rupees 24,000 for a particular destination. The first airline offers straight 15% discount, while second airline offers 20% discount on first rupees 15,000 and 10% on remaining amount. Find the difference between their airfares. Our options are option A 450, option B 500, option C 600, option D 300. We solve the question like this. The first airlines gives 15% discount on its entire airfare. So we calculate 15% on 24,000. 10% is 2,400 and half of 2,400 is 5%, which is 1,200. 2,400 plus 1,200 is 3,600. So the discount offered by first airlines is 3,600, and second airlines offers 20% on first 15,000. So 20% of 15,000 is 3,000. 15 times 2 is 30, and after putting 2 zeros we get 3,000. Or we can calculate like this: 10% of 15,000 is 1,500 and double of it is 20%, which is 3,000. Now remaining is 9,000, and on remaining 9,000 10% discount is offered, and 10% of 9,000 is 900. So total discount is 3,900. 3,000 plus 900 is 3,900. And the difference between the two discounts, 3,600 and 3,900, is 300. The second airline offers 3,900, which is 300 more than the first airlines. Hence, second airlines is rupees 300 cheaper than the first airlines. Hence, the difference between the discount is same as the difference between their airfares, which is rupees 300. And from the given options, our answer is option D, rupees 300. We go to the next question. Our question is, by selling an appliance at marked price, the profit is 25%. If marked price is doubled and discount of 64% is offered on new marked price, what will be the profit or loss percent? Our options are option A 15% profit, option B 10% loss, option C 20% loss, option D 36% profit. We solve the question. This question we can solve orally. I am first solving it orally, then I will write all the steps so that you can understand how to solve orally, and if you are unable to understand the oral part of solving it, then I will write it again so that you can understand how to solve it fast. If we assume the cost price to be 100, then marked price with 25% profit will be 100 plus 25 is 125. If we double the mark price, then it becomes 250. And we have to offer 64% discount. It means that we are actually receiving 36% of 250. 36% of 250. How to calculate 36% fast? We first calculate 30%. 10% of 250 is 25. So 30% will be 75. And 10% of 30% is 3%, which is 7.50. And double of 3% is 6%, which will be 7.5 multiplied by 2 is 15. 75 plus 15 is 90, which is the 36% of 250. Now we are receiving 90 while our cost was 100. It means that we are receiving 10 less than 100, and 10 on 100 is 10%. So there will be a loss of 10%, which is our option B from the given options. If you have understood how to solve it orally, I put the answer in writing. CP 100, then SP is 125 with 25% profit. We doubled it, so it becomes 250. 64% discount, it means 36% is our receipt. 36% of 250. So 10% is, I'm just calculating here, 10% is 25. So 30% will be 3 times of it, 75. And this is 30%. So 1/10 of 75 is 3%, which is 7.5. And double of it will be 6%, which will be 15. This is equal to 90. Now our cost price was 100 and our selling price is 90. Therefore, loss is 10 and 10 on 100 is 10%. This way we can solve it orally. Now I have written it so that you can understand what exactly I have done while solving orally. So this is the loss of 10%. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 10% loss. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.